In the ongoing legal drama between Prince Harry and the UK government over his security arrangements, it's emerged that the prince is dismayed at not being considered part of the VIP category, which would entitle him to automatic state security. According to insights from an expert, this revelation comes amidst Harry's recent approval to appeal a High Court ruling that went against him. Renowned royal author and commentator Angela Levin shed light on Harry's motivation for the appeal, suggesting that one of the driving factors in his upcoming world tour with Meghan. Levin expressed surprise at the notion that British taxpayers might foot the bill for Harry's security, stating, "Well, it's not on our tax, frankly." The prince had hoped for a swift resolution to the appeal, fearing its impact on his security arrangements in other countries, but his request was denied. Levin also highlighted the irony that British taxpayers could be contributing to Harry's security, despite a previous ruling that he doesn't fit the criteria for state protection reserved for other VIPs. So he was sort of put in his place, Levin remarked, but I don't think he can believe that. The legal battle dates back to February 2020 when Prince Harry initiated legal action following a decision by the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures regarding his security. In February of this year, the High Court ruled against Harry's claims, upholding the fairness of the decision. Sir Peter, the High Court judge, argued that the process implemented for Harry in 2020 was legally sound, agreeing with the decision of RAVEC's former chairman. Security arrangements for the royal family are managed by RAVEC, an entity delegated by the Home Office. But now Harry's been told that he can appeal the verdict at the Court of Appeal, according to an order from Lord Justice Bean dated May 23, 2024. In his ruling, Sir Peter had argued that the prince's lawyers had made an inappropriate, formalist interpretation of the RAVEC's process during the High Court case. The bespoke process, devised for the claimant in the decision of February 28, 2020, was and is legally sound, he added. A spokesperson representing Prince Harry emphasised that he's not seeking preferential treatment, but rather a fair application of RAVEC's rules. The prince remains hopeful for a just outcome from the Court of Appeal and refrains from further comment on the matter while the legal process unfolds. In February 2020, RAVEC failed to apply its written policy to the Duke of Sussex and excluded him from a particular risk analysis. The Duke's case is that the so-called bespoke process that applies to him is no substitute for that risk analysis. The Duke of Sussex hopes that he'll obtain justice from the Court of Appeal and makes no further comment while the case is ongoing. Now we find out that American taxpayers are footing the bill for his protection. That's infuriating a lot of people, and rightly so. A judge previously concluded that Harry wasn't in a comparable position to those in the other VIP category entitled to state security. So he was put in his place, but he can't accept that.